Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Today we have an 03 Ford F250 regular cab short box XL. It's got a power stroke in it. Brand new tires. A lot of work's just been done on this truck. About $5 grand is spent on everything, EGR and all that. I'll go over everything in a second. Does have some rust around the wheel wells. Cab corners look really good though. New LED lights back here. Also 7-pin wire harness connector. It's all brand new. Truck runs like a top. Great for a landscaper or something. It's just got a vinyl interior. Myers snowplow. All hooked up, ready to roll. Looks like it's about a 10-footer. It's like 8.5 feet foot plow. Drop-in bed liner. New better really clean this truck up big time. Here's a receipt. Tons of work. This one was $853. Full oil service, grease fittings, front brake pads, rotors, steering stabilizer shock, rear brake pads, all the way around pretty much. Oil filter done. This is the big one. This one was $4,510 and it's got everything done. Axle seals, upper and lower ball joints, EGR, bearings, glow plug, antifreeze. So she's pretty good, ready to roll. Vinyl bench seat up front. Plow works great. AM FM radio with air. Crack in the windshield right there. Well, thanks for joining us. Again, my name is Mike. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.